Hi, Lee here. So here it is, the completed guitar. Really pleased with how this has turned out. Everything from the colour, the nitro finish feels really natural and smooth. The neck is very smooth. The flame maple effect has come out perfectly on here. So it just looks and feels amazing. So I've just finished setting it up. I've adjusted the nut to get all the strings the right height at the nut end. And I've also set all the intonation and bridge height as well. The action's nice and low. These bare knuckle iron Tour pickups sound absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased with the bare knuckle pickups. I think I'm just going to use those in the future for any future builds. So all that's left now is for you guys to listen to a few tones and see what you think. However, instead of me butchering this guitar, luckily for me, one of my friends has come round who's a musician, a good friend of mine, Sinky. He's been playing away on this guitar, enjoying it, and I've been recording him. So for the next 5 minutes, instead of watching me bash around on this, you'll just get to hear my friend Sinky do a bit more justice to the sound of this guitar. So I really hope you enjoy. It's been a pleasure building this, and I'm so pleased I now have a good quality Strat copy that I can actually use myself for fun. So I'll see you soon. Enjoy the next 5 minutes.